Hello, 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 Perpetualites! I am your host, Rod, and I am here for another entertaining interview with the UPHSD Calamba volleyball team, who will compete in the upcoming Lakwa. Join me as we get to know more about their team. Ano, let's G? Let's G! So, hi guys. Ayan. First question, sino po yung madalas malate o huling dumating pang nagpa-practice po kayo?
JC Ramiro, libero po ako ng Perpetual. 23 years old.
So, bakit ka lagi nalilate?
Ano po, guwapo ng oras.
Second question po, sino po yung pinaka-okay mag-react pag nakaka-score po?
Hi, my name is Jessica Songalia, outside hitter po.
Third question, sino naman yung pinaka-nonchalant or low-key lang sa team nyo?
Si Pabelo.
My name is Andrew Pabelo, middle blocker po.
In your opinion, sino sa team yung pinaka-famous?
My name is Sean Matthew po. I'm outside hitter.
Sino sa tingin nyo ang nagpapaulan ng service aces? Who among you will most likely deliver powerful attacks?
Amel.
I'm Amazon Cantil and outside spiker.
Who's most likely to get heated during a match?
Heated? Garbo.
Oo, ito. Si Carbo.
Sige, sister, ikaw na lang.
My name is Rajan Carbo, outside hitter.
Ayun. Sino sa inyo yung tinaguri ang guardian angel or madalas makaligtas ng bola?
Hi, my name is Frederick Manaigam, libero po.
So, last question po. Describe your team in one word.
Jolly. Mabait.
Amazing.
Hardworking. Consistent.
Committed na lang.
Mga cute.
Nice. Happy.
Cute?
Correct. Progressing po.
Maligalig.
Family po.
Makulit.
Maingay po. Ano po sunod?
And that's it for our interview for today. No, maraming salamat po everyone for lending your time. Good luck. And don't forget to support our Altas volleyball team in the upcoming Lakwa. Ayan, thank you so much.